So here's the app, and the app starts off by allowing you to choose or select whether you're a coach or umpire. I would demonstrate the umpire page, but that's still under construction, so I'll demonstrate the coaches page. Select coach, hit submit, and if I made a mistake in selecting, I can go back home, but I'll select coach, submit, enter the date, and you see here the date is for this Saturday. The time is at 1 p.m., 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I can select the location of the game, the level of the game, and any notes. Bring your own water, it will be hot. And submit.